Coin name is SushiSwap. Guys, this coin provides us 90% profit. I shared this trade at the private list on October 28. We bought this coin for 61 cents and put a seller up here. Daily resistance $1.20, guys. How I find those coins? By tracking the volume. Let's go to the chart. Sushi. Let's go right here, the full. Pay attention to this number right here. On October 22, the volume of this coin was $11 million. Okay, October 23, the volume of this coin was $29 million. That's what we talk about. We track the volume, guys. This is the picture I share in the private list. When I shared this trade in the private list, the price line was right here, 61 cents, guys. That's what I do. I print screen my monitor and share the trade in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. I put the order right here, buy here and sell $1.20. Trades I share in the private list on the last 3 days, guys. We just hit 735% profit. Amazing returns. All we do is to buy low before the pump and sell up high. We trade RaceFi, ARK, Raydium, Meme, SushiSwap, Geojam Token, ARK, guys. 735%. Remember, we just focus on volume. Volume is the confirmation. Let me give another example how we track the volume. Right here, this coin right here, Raydium. Let's go to the charts, Raydium. Let's make this thing bigger. Right here, guys. On October 29, the volume of this coin was 1.8 million. Okay, October 30, the volume of this coin was 3.6 million. Okay, the volume increased 300%. That's when I shared this trade in the private list. Right here, Raydium, same exactly example, guys. October 30, the volume, the price, we bought this coin for 19 cents. Put a seller up here again, daily resistance at 32 cents, 65% profit. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. We buy low to sell up high. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Add your email in the private list mail, guys. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment, guys, every single week. Also, I will let you know and alert you when you should buy Bitcoin and the main cryptos. We use a swing trade strategy to trade the main coins, guys. Okay, overall today 730%. I just made $73,000. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. If you like to talk with me, just give me a call. Okay, let me show how many coins we've been traded on the last 2 weeks. Take a look at this. My software right now is tracking 3,000 coins, guys. 3,000 coins. All you gotta do is trade together. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.